Hello, Michael.
It's Matt.
How would you like to drive a drone with just your hands?
I can do that already.
Well, then I have good news for you. Take it away, Jake.
Hello, my name is Jake and I'm the scientist of this facility. Here we are looking at a drone. It is a normal drone by the looks of it, but it isn't. It is now controlled by hand gestures. My assistant here, Cody.
Yay, my dog!
I love you too, Cody. Is now giving it the high five. That is the signal for the drone to start hovering into the air and flying with the grace of ease. Look at her go. And there you have it, a perfectly coded program for a perfect drone. And now we're going to Cody with the code.
Help me! Anyways, guys, we have an if statement inside of an if statement inside of a while statement inside of a for statement inside of a for inside of an if. But that's not all, because we go inside of another if statement here, but it has a while true and with a with statement. With all that, you get a drone that can fly yourself with a hand gesture. Please help me, my family. I haven't seen them in years.
Thank you very much, Cody. Now back to your cage. We now return to Kaz with the rest of this commercial.
Thanks, Jake. And thanks, Mitchell, for coming.
It's Matt.
So anyways, if you want to reach out to our product, call 1-800-POW-POW or visit our website at www.powpleasegiveusana.com. Thanks again.